Yes. Uh,
Hello.
how are you?
Fine, you?
I'm good. Where are you from?
From Mexico.
Mexico. What is your first
And
language?
you? What?
What is your first language?
Spanish.
Spanish. Okay. How do you say how are you in Spanish language?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás? Okay. ¿Cómo estás? And I'm fine. And you? How do you say? I'm fine.
Bien. ¿Y tú?
Bien y tú? Bien y tú?
Yeah, that's like fine. And you?
Do you wanna learn my language?
Yes.
Okay, I'm from Bangladesh, and we say how are you in Bangladeshi language. তুমি কেমন আছো? তুমি repeat after.
তুমি
কেমন আছো?
কেমন
আছো.
আছো?
Yes. তুমি কেমন আছো?
আছো?
Means how are you?
Okay.
And we say I am fine. Means আমি ভালো আছি. আমি ভালো আছি. It means
আমি ভালো আছি.
yes. You already learned my language. You guys are very pretty. I never ever seen like you.